Hello my dear students. Today I am going to explain you definite and indefinite articles. Definite articles are the. For example, the book. Indefinite articles are a, an. For example, a car, an apple. Now let us study indefinite articles. There are three indefinite articles in English. Two for the singular form, for example a and an, and one for the plural form, for example some. We use an indefinite article in English when we refer to something for the first time. We refer to a general thing and not something specific. We describe a person's profession. Now first of all we should understand how to use a and an. We use both a and an in the same way, but we use a in front of a consonant and an in front of a vowel. A, E, I, O. Here some examples are here. A is a car, a letter, a teacher, an aeroplane, and envelope, an accountant. Here are some examples. There is a cat in the garden. I need a stamp for this letter. Shelly is an accountant. She works for a multinational company. We need an apple and an orange for the fruit salad. Is there a whiteboard in the classroom? My husband drives a lorry. Let us see one more example. I need a chair. In the sentence above we find the article a. It shows us that the speaker does not need a specific chair. He can have any chair. I want an apple. In the sentence above we find the article an. It shows us that the speaker does not want a specific apple. He can have any apple. Now let us study some. We use some for the plural form of all nouns and for uncountables. An uncountable noun is a word that only has the singular form. For example, some people, some documents, some biscuits, etc. Here are some examples. Would you like some wine? Here are some photos of your last holiday. We need some milk. Can you get a carton when you go out? Some people are sunbathing in the park. There are some places to go in my town. I eat some biscuit and drink some coffee for breakfast every day. Now let us study the definite article. The definite article in English is the, and we can use it with singular and plural nouns. We use the when we have already identified the nouns we are referring to in a previous phrase. There is only one of these things. For example, the station, there is only one in the city. We use certain expression especially related to physical things such as the weather, the sea, the environment. Here are some examples. You can't go to the post office now. It's closed. Can you turn on the television? The shopping bags are still in the car. I will get them. Where is the bottle opener? The students are waiting for the lesson to start. The washing machine is broken. We need to get another one. The presentation is ready for you to check. Mr. Harper. Now let us discuss no article. It can be difficult to know when not to use an article in English, especially when you translate from your native language which has different rules for article. Here are the main cases when we don't use an article. Don't use article with possessive adjective. For example, she is my friend and not she is a my friend. Don't use an article with a general topic. Here some examples are given. Compare the following sentences. I love music, meaning music is general. I love the music you are playing, meaning this is specific music. Don't put an article in front of a country names except when they include kingdom, states and lands. For example, France. Don't use the in front of France. Now choosing the right articles. The main thing to remember when you speak is that the first time you refer to something, you generally need to use a or an. The second time you refer to the same thing, you can use the. And when you refer to a unique thing or place, you can use the. Here are some examples of using both a and the. They had a long meeting. When the meeting ended, they had a coffee break. We need a fan. I think there is one in the kitchen. He started here as an office worker. Now he is the managing director. We are planning a holiday. We will probably go to the sea. Being a doctor must be difficult. The doctor I saw yesterday was very kind. I must buy some sugar. The sugar bowl is empty.